Let's learn programming in Python. Before we can do anything, we need to install Python. So let's search for it. Welcome to python.org. We can click this, or we can click on python.org downloads. Always download from official sources. Click on this. Save. Now while it is downloading, let's have a look. All the versions till now, whatever has been released is there here. You can download any version. Then you have here documentations. Yes, online documentation. What's new in Python 3.7, tutorial, library reference, language reference, Python setup and usage, Python how-tos, how to do some activity, installing Python modules. This seems to be interesting. Let's go there. Extending and embedding. Okay. Now you can go through this at your leisure, but let's see. Yes, this seems to be very interesting. We'll look at this later. Now what has happened to our download? It's been downloaded. So now let's click on that to run it. Or what we can do is we can go to our downloads folder. There also it would be there. Make sure you have latest antivirus software installed so that you can download without any worries. Okay, customize. I usually prefer to do customized installation just to make sure that anything that is not required is not installed, because some softwares they also install other softwares which are not really required. Install for all users. Okay, now install. Administrator password is required. Yes. Once this setup is over, we can start off. Any other additional software that is required, we will look at them. We'll install them as and when required. This will take a few minutes, depends on your system, how fast it is. So make sure your system is clean. Recompiling standard library. We'll look at what are standard libraries. Okay. Just a few seconds more. Yes. Special thanks to Mark Hammond. Okay, new to Python online tutorial documentation. What's new? So let's close this. Let's close this as well. Let's minimize this. So what did we get? Idle, Python 3.1 module docs, Python 3.7 modules. Here let's start idle. This is our shell in which we will type our commands. Here it has already given some of the commands that we can give. Copyright. Yes. Credits. And license function. Right. Okay, Q to quit. Now here you can directly start typing your commands. Basically Python is a interpreter based language. That means as and when you type, each line will be interpreted and executed. Let's say 3 plus 5. Even that's a valid command. 3 plus 5. 3 minus 5 minus 2. What else? 3 times 5, 3 divided by 5. How about 3 to the power of 5? 3 double star 5. Yes, just try out all the various maths symbols, and in the next session we will go into more details. Bye for now.
Please go to the about page of my channel, and here you will find various links for each topic. These are Excel workbooks which I have been using in many of my videos. Download it and practice.